If you're watching this video, you're likely experiencing the same issue that I'm having with this dishwasher where it's beeping, it will not start, and there's a light on the upper right-hand side that's flashing, as well as at the center of the dishwasher here, right below clean, and it's constantly beeping. And what's causing this issue is that we ran this dishwasher earlier, and in the clean cycle, there is this water dispenser that spins around. And if you could, you're probably difficult to see, but there's a plate in the back of this dishwasher standing up. And what happened is that this water dispenser was not able to spin freely. And when it would spin, as you can see, it's hitting the top of that plate. And what that does is cause water to hit the front of this door. And there is a reservoir that's behind the front face of this dishwasher that will fill, and has a sensor on there that will shut the dishwasher off to keep it from flooding your home. And that happens again when there is something that's blocking the dispenser from spinning freely, and the water sprays on the door, and then it goes down into the reservoir underneath this dishwasher, and it shuts off. So I'm going to give a more detailed review and let you know what you can do to correct the situation. Stay tuned. Okay, there's a plate here on the bottom of the dishwasher, and it has 2 screws, one on either side of the dishwasher. So I have a nut driver, and I'm going to remove those. Okay, have the screws out. And there's insulation that's attached to this lower portion. And I'm just gonna hold it up there, and then there's a tab on either side of this bottom tray, and I'm going to release the tab by pushing inward. You push both at the same time. And the sensor has some tabs that I will recess so I can remove it. And I mentioned earlier that there's a reservoir where water collects. As you can see, there's water right there in that reservoir. And then this part here that I removed is the sensor. So I'm just going to dump this water from the reservoir. I have a paper towel here that I will use to dry everything up as good as I can. And also, should have mentioned this earlier, but this sensor is plugged into a connector that has electricity, so it might not be a bad idea. Well, actually, it would be encouraged for you to disconnect the power from this dishwasher. So I went back and flipped the breaker so it doesn't have any power at all now, because you're dealing with water here, and there's a chance that it could cause a shock. But I just decided to go on and do it just as a precaution. So now I am going to push everything back into place. This is the sensor that I have in my right hand, and I just need to position it over this reservoir and snap it back into place. Okay. You might have heard the tabs snap back into place, so the front and the rear are both attached now. And now I just need to slide the reservoir portion into place, making sure it's clearing the insulation. Okay, the left-hand side is snapped in. Okay, and now the right-hand side is also snapped in. Just push everything back into place. And also that bottom piece goes in the back, so I push that in place. Putting the screw back in the left-hand side. Just getting it started. And the same for this right-hand side. So I got to start it. Tighten up this right-hand side completely. Okay, got it tight. Left-hand side. And that's it. So I'll just wipe a little water from the floor. There's a little dust along the top of this plate cover here, and I'll just wipe that. So you can see everything is now nice and neat. And I'll go and flip the power back on. Okay, I have the power back on now. As you can see, all the lights are off, no longer beeping. And that is it. So pretty simple fix for this issue. Let me know if you have any questions. Please comment, subscribe, and share.